Good day, this is Cobus from GFP Woodworking Machinery. Just want to showcase one of our recent arrivals here at our Johannesburg head office. We have a Weinig Profimat 5-head moulder. Weinig is still one of the most endearing brands in the woodworking industry. German made, reliable quality, local spare parts here on the African continent, and certainly one of the most popular brands, and for good reason. The specific machine is a 230mm wide moulder. It has only 1,700 hours on clock, virtually nothing, virtually brand new. You are saving hundreds of thousands of rands, tens of thousands of dollars when you purchase a high quality, pre-owned, fully serviced machine such as this. Let's have a look under the hood. As you can immediately see, the machine is in pristine condition. We have 5 heads on this machine, allowing you to do bottom planing, side planing, and then a top and a final bottom head. Very well suited for doing profiles like tongue and groove, skirtings, any production for a large factory. Let's have a look at some of the other features on this machine. An easy way to tell the condition of a machine is to look at the electronics. A machine that has neat, well looked after electronics implies that no modifications have been made. The machine is still in its original condition, and you can rest assured that you are getting a machine that you can rely on and that can give you peace of mind. These Weinig moulders retail for about 1.2 million rand, 1.2 million rand. Our price of 475 is therefore approximately half the price of the same machine new. As with all the machines here at GFP Potgieter Woodworking Machinery, it comes with a comprehensive quality guarantee. It's fully serviced, so you can rest assured that you're getting a machine of the right quality. Look how neat, look how clean. Weinig, unbeatable machine brand, especially for a woodworking moulder. Give us a call today. GFP Machines is still Africa's leading woodwork machine supplier with the largest stock in Africa, the best technical team, and a legacy of woodworking production and service for our customers across the continent and across the world.